Hello, I'm Twigs. I am the pink giraffe with the necklace. Stop. And I am the main person for this thing. And so, I do the world news. And the skunk on the side of me, right here, my name is Flora, and I do the tragedies. Really, Zoe? So, today, and welcome to Beanie Boo News. So, today, for the world news, is we just found out a girl named Caitlin had a disease called awesomeness. It's where she becomes awesomer every day, and she's the only person that has it. Now, Flora, tell them the tragedy. The tragedy is that somebody, somebody kept lying. Ugh, such a tragedy. Okay, well, here's the question of the day. The question of the day is, what is your most embarrassing moment? Comment below, subscribe if you already had it, and like our videos, and watch more. Bye!